Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Today I would like to present my movie review about Penelope. Penelope is a modern fairy tale movie directed by Mark Polanski in 2006. Penelope was a young girl born under the curse, and her curse can be broken if she can found her true love with someone who loves her faithfully. But she desperate because she can go out from her home. Her family don't want people know about her. But someday, Penelope runs away from her home and experience the new world. Now we go on to the character of this movie. Johnny Martin. Johnny Martin is a poor gambler who recruited Barry Lemon to take a picture of Penelope. But finally, at the end, he fell in love with Penelope. Lemon, or Peter Dinklage. He's a tabloid journalist who know all about Penelope, but he wants a picture of Penelope. Simon Woods. Simon Woods is one of the many male who runs away from Penelope, and he told the media that he attacked by a fake monster. But at the end, Simon wants to marry Penelope because media loves Penelope. So Penelope is a good movie to watch and good movie to watch, but it's too short, so we can enjoy the film. The moral value of this movie is don't judge people by its cover, and true love is the biggest happiness in the world. Thank you.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Today I want to show you about my presentation of importance about flower. Please enjoy. Well, flower. Surely everyone knows about flowers. Maybe, do you like flower?
No, I do not.
So, what about you, Sylvie?
Yes, I like tulip flowers.
A flower, sometimes known as bloom or blossom, is the reproductive plant. The biological function of the flower is to effect reproductive, usually by providing a mechanism of the union of sperm and eggs. Now, let's see the parts of flower. Flower has stamen. Stamen is pollen-producing reproductive organ. And flower has pistil. Phoebe, do you know what is pistil?
I know. Unit of Ganosim.
Yes, pistil is unit of ganthium. Andrium. Andrium is produced by ovary. And then ovary. Ovary is female reproductive organ of the flower. Now, flower has petal flowers with many colors, and then rose name comes from French. It has 100 species. Most species are native to Asia, with smaller numbers native to North America, Northwest Africa, and Europe. Now I want to give you some example of flowers. First, rose. I think rose is a beautiful flower because it has many colors. And the name rose comes from French. Rose has 100 species, and most species are native to Asia, with smaller number native to North America, Northwest Africa, and Europe. Next is jasmine. Jasmine has 200 species, and jasmine native to tropical and warm temperate region of Europe, Asia, and Africa. And then the last is tulip. Tulip is a perennial flower with around 75 wild species. And the standard diversity of tulip is at Pamir and Hindukush. And that's all my presentation. Thank you.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Today we would like to show you our dialogue using expressions of like dislike, sympathy, advice, surprising, necessity, and pride.
The situation is Jennifer got the lowest score on English test first. She feels sad. Lintang, her classmate, to study hard on the remedial test. Please enjoy.
Hey, Fede, what happened? You look sad.
It is my result on English test first, but I got 45.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. You still have another change on the remedial test.
Oh my god, I am afraid. I can do the test because I don't like the subject either.
It's a must that you need the subject first.
I won't, but
Febe, you should study hard. You believe me, you can do that, and I know you can make it.
I think I need your help. Will you teach me?
Oh, okay, I can help you.
Thank you, Lina.
Okay.
Lintang,
What?
this
Febe?
what?
What?
Look at this.
Wow, great, Febe.
It's unbelievable. I got the good score.
Oh, congratulations, Febe. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Lintang.
Okay. Febe, the bell is ringing. Let's go to the class.
Let's go. Okay. So the dialogue have 6 expressions. First, like dislike. Like was spoken by Lintang. She said, "I need like the subject." And dislike is spoken by Febe. She said, she don't like the subject. And advice is spoken by Lintang. She said, you should study hard. And next expression is sympathy.
Good afternoon, class.
Afternoon.
Today I will show you my presentations about drugs. Drugs. Drugs is a substance from plants or non-plants, either synthetic or semi-synthetics, that can cause degradations or and alterations dependencies. The substance can create a variety effect such as hallucinations, addictions, and other psychological effect. And what is the effect of drug abuse? The first, disorders of the nervous system like hallucinations, you can see these pictures, and disorder of the heart and the physics, disorder of lung, circulatory disorders of skin, like many injections like this, and can be affected with HIV and AIDS, and thinking abnormal, feeling anxious, and you will always need the drugs. And I think the measures taken so far to overcome the problems for about drugs is still not far enough. We have to prevent the younger generations from drugs abuse, and without consequence of using drugs above, we should give serious considerations before using it. And parents, teachers, governments must help to reduce drugs user, and educations about drugs are also needed because it can be reduced. And because usually a lot of drugs users never get an education about drugs, and last from now, let's stay away from drugs and never to try it, because the drugs has a negative impact and breaking the law. So start to live healthy and stay away from drugs. That's all my presentations, and thank you.
Good afternoon, class. Today we would like to show you our dialogue using expression of pleasure, agree, disagree, satisfy, dissatisfaction, making and cancelling appointment, and giving suggestion.
The situation is, I made a plan with Yuaksa to hang out on Saturday. We discussed on who should we invite and where should we go. Listen.
At school.
Ju, do you have any plans on Saturday?
I don't think so. Why?
Let's go somewhere on Saturday. And invite the others too. It's been a long time since we've hang out.
I'd love to. Where do you want to go?
What about Umbra? I hear it's quite nice.
No, not Mumra. Pick another place.
Why not Ju?
I don't like Mumra. It's very crowded.
Well, do you have any other suggestion?
Well, I should suggest Mary's Garden. It's very cozy and not too expensive.
I agree. And who should we invite?
How about Icat, Cesar, Sergio, and Iba?
Of course. It's always pleasure to hang out with them.
What time we meet at Melis?
How about 7 o'clock? Sounds good?
the next day at school.
Yet I have some bad news.
What is it, Jude?
I can make it on Saturday. I'm sorry.
Why? You must come. It won't be fun without you.
I really wish I could come. But my brother is in the hospital.
It's terrible. Is he alright?
He's fine. He just broke his arm, but I stay with him in the hospital.
Oh, that's sad to hear. I hope your brother gets well soon.
Thanks, kid. Sorry, I can't come.
It's okay, Jude.
On the phone!
Hey, kid.
Hey, Jude, what's up?
How was Melis? Was it fun?
It was not bad. I'm satisfied with the price of the food and drinks.
That's great to hear. Was it crowded?
Yeah, it was. The crowd got me a little bit unsatisfied, but overall, I had a great time.
Alright then. Next time, I'll come, okay?
Yeah, it's okay, Jude. We can hang out some other time.
Okay.
That's our perform, and now we are going to tell some expression which are used in this dialogue.
The dialogue using expression of agree, disagree, pleasure, satisfied, dissatisfaction, making and cancelling appointment, and giving suggestion.
The expression of making appointment, which was spoken by me, is let's go somewhere on Saturday. And canceling appointment, which was spoken by Yuaksa, is I can make it on Saturday. I'm sorry.
The expression giving suggestion, which was spoken by Gideon, what about Umrah, and which was spoken by me, I should suggest Men's Garden.
The expression which the expression the expression of satisfaction which was spoken by me is I'm satisfied with the price of the food and drinks. And the expression of unsatisfied is which spoken by me is the crowd got me a little bit unsatisfied. And the expression of pleasure which was spoken by me is it's always a pleasure to hang out with them.
And the expression agree, which was spoken by Gideon, I agree, and the expression of disagree, which was spoken by me, unknown, not Umrah. Thank you.
Good morning, class. I'm Richard from grade 12. Today I would like to present my presentation about the water cycle, or well known as the rain. Okay. What is rain? Rain is the major component of the water cycle, and is responsible for depositing of fresh water on the earth. And then it provides stable condition for many types of ecosystem, and as well as water for hydroelectronic and for plants and irrigation. Next, what was rain and how does the rain work occur? I would section. The third is orographic effect, and then the last is human influence. Yeah. Okay, I will describe it one by one. First, frontal activity. Frontal activity can be occurred by as consequence of the slow air exchange, and then second, convection is occurred by convective flows, and then the third is orographic effect. Orographic effect occur by pressing air motion in large scale, and then the last is human influence. I think everyone already know about the last is, for example, like pollution. Pollution cannot be handled anymore. And then next, how does the rain occur? The rain, I will describe it one by one. First, the sun hit the ocean, and then the second is the ocean evaporates and rises into the atmosphere, and then the third is when the water vapor cools, so we call it condensation, and the water and the cold form it. And then the last, and then the fourth is if the water already if the water in clouds is already enough, and the clouds already formed, so the rain will be fall to the earth actually. And the last is the water or rain will become back to the river. Yeah, I think that's all of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Good afternoon, viewers. Today I will show to you my news about heavy flood in Manado. On 15 January 2014, Manado happened in the heavy flood, and I want to show you the pictures from the situation in Manado. The slide 1. The situation of home residents. The situation of home residents is very to other poor people, and they are in dangerous because the home in residence the disaster. And the slide 2, the station in main road. We are going to look at the main road. The station on the main road, the people can't go to everywhere to find their need. They are in dangerous condition. They go by swimming and by the little boat. And then last slide, the station in the area of the shopping center. In the area of the shopping center, flight 2, and the wife don't cannot shopping. Because of the store shopping, the floodly, the ugly. Thank you for watching.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Today I would like to show you my discussion about cigarette. Surely everyone knows cigarette, and so many human smoking. And this is my discussion text. friends with other smokers. Always having something to do with your hands. And the contra is burn your money, yellow skin, teeth, and fingernails. Nicotine is addictive and cigarette user, particularly children and teens. No relaxation, always feeling in need of something. Unhealthy and make you die fast. So don't use cigarette. Thank you.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
I'm Ezra, and I would like to present you about my recall text, Valentine's Day. Every day at February 14, we celebrate a Valentine's Day. And now I want to tell you again about them. At that free day, we know that we celebrate our Valentine's Day. We began that with a band competition. We have a performance from our class. We sing a song from Virgon and King of Majesty. The next competition of Valentine's Day is at Sasagon. Sasagon is powder. And the third competition is at chocolate from powder. They give a chocolate in a powder. They take a chocolate with the mouth and open it with their hand. And the third competition is Lomba Gombal. They have celebrate their opponents and make the melting with their wonder. The end competition is fashion show. The comet prepare the player with a random photos, and they have to choose some clothes and wear that in the show. And the next that giving a gift to the winner and pray before we back to home. That's all we do in Valentine's Day. I hope all of you enjoy my story. Thank you.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Today I would like to tell you about the story about Cinderella. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful girl called Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and her stepsister. Her stepmother and her stepsister always threatened her. She just a friend with an animals. One day they are got invitation from the prince attend the dance party. And Cinderella really wants to go to the party. And she made a dress for the party. But her mother and her stepsister gave her so much dirty. And Cinderella was surprised because the animals helped her to finish her dress. But her stepsister destroyed her dress, and Cinderella ran away to the garden, and her stepsister and her stepmother go to the castle. And Cinderella cried in the garden. After that, the fairy came to her, and the fairy changed anything, and Cinderella can go to the party. And she arrived at the party and she dancing with the prince. But Cinderella's time is up, and she ran away, and she left her glasses on the stair on the castle. The next day, the guide of the prince looking for the who have the glad shoes. And the guide arrived at Cinderella's home, and then her stepsister destroyed the glass shoes, but Cinderella have another glass shoes. And then the prince found Cinderella for her true love, and they are happy ever after. Thank you.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Today I would like to show you my presentation about this pro and cons internet. What is the internet? Like network of the computer, networks that connect people and computers around the world via telephone and satellite communication system online. Pros: 1. It facilitates communication. 2. It helps business. 3. It makes information available worldwide. Cons: 1. Sometimes communicating to internet is a really painful experience. 2. The internet makes us more lazy. We don't try to make things experiment. 3. Working on the internet or with internet all day is theory. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Today, we will show you our presentations about drugs.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Today I would like to tell about Cinderella's story. Once upon a time,
I'm not surprised, not everything lasts. I've broken my heart so many times I stopped keeping track. Talk myself in, I talk myself out. I get all worked up, then I let myself down. I tried so very hard not to lose it. I came up with a million excuses. I thought of every possibility. so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet. I might have to wait, I'll never give up. I guess it's half timing and the other half's luck. Wherever you are, whenever it's right, you'll come out of nowhere and into my life. And I know that we can be so amazing. And baby, your love is gonna change me. And now I can see every possibility. And somehow I know that it'll all turn out. And you'll make me work so we can work to work it out. And I promise you, kid, I'll give so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet. They say